Specifically around customers, I started writing down, okay, what is their reality? What do they do every single day?
Limble has really helped me in a lot of ways. It makes it very easy to run a department.
They were able to see the value very quickly.
Before, we weren't very technologically advanced with our work order system.
The machines would just basically run until they broke. So now, with Limble, we can take care of our stuff.
Because if we can watch everything break and see it get put back together, we can download prevent it from breaking. We can stop the road from crumbling. That's impactful.
Our downtime, without a doubt, is right around 15% from 90.
The capability that this thing has is awesome.
The interface is top notch.
The tool chest that Limble brings is just so feature rich.
It's blowing my mind.
One of our main selling points is like, look, this Limble is the cat's ass.
We saved $10,000.
I started digging into trying to see if there was maintenance software out there.
So if anybody asked me any information, I didn't have any answers for them.
He said, Sarah, you need a tracking system. You need some software.
We're looking every day to sort of say, well, can we manage this with Limble? Yes or no? And 95% of the time it's been, yes, we can.
And it was essentially explained to me that this can be whatever you want it to be.
And I think that's one thing that I've loved about Limble is the fact that I can make it my own.
Having all that data that we really had no way of gathering before.
I can smooth out tensions in our roles and in our lives on campus using Limble.
Limble is a game changer.
A lifesaver.
An opportunity.
A vital part of our maintenance operations.
Maximizing your ability to do your job.
Flat out best maintenance program you could possibly have.
We haven't looked back and we're not going to look back.